Okay. Um, okay, good morning or good evening, traders and YouTubers, depending on where you are. My name is Michael and from Aegis.CMEG. Today is May 22nd, 2020. Time is 10 minutes before market open. So let's put some weight, some watch stop. So some stuff to watch. PDD. Oh, PDD is all-time high. PDD is the Chinese stock. Hmm. So PDD is reporting an earning after market open. That will be interesting. PDD. Okay. Roku. Let's see. Hmm. Roku is getting lower in the past couple of weeks, right? Because before Roku was somewhere around 140 something, right? 130, 140, which is above my price range. But now it is come down to slightly, just slightly above 100. So that might be interesting since it creates an opportunity for other people as well. So I usually do not like to trade stock that is too high because it's not the most effective use of your capital, right? For example, if you look at Tesla, so Tesla is like around 800 something, right? How do you trade this stock? Well, if you have like $1 million on your account, it is possible, right? But if you're like me, still trading on the small account size, around 5,000. So how do you gonna trade this stock, right? You just buy 10 stocks and then do partial. So in my opinion, my favorite price range for stock is somewhere between $20 to $100. So anything lower than $20 is usually quite hard because uh, oh sorry, anything lower than $10 is usually quite hard to trade because um, it's just I'm not too comfortable, right? So JD, let's see, Tesla, let's take it out. So JD is hmm, JD is somewhere near all-time high. So yeah, so on daily chart, it's CSX, Boston Scientific. Alright, so I'm finalizing my, so this I have CCL, NCLH, I have ACB, PDD might be nice, PDD Delta Airlines, mRNA, ACB, mRNA, so what else? What else should I put? GD and so, oh, UAL is also quite nice. I'm gonna put UAL. Although it's not moving that much. Okay, so let's put UAL here. Alright, so we have CCL, NCLH, ACB, PDD, DAL, mRNA, JD, and UAL. So time is 1 minute, slightly over 1 minute before market open. Again, the strategy is the same. Is just wait the first 5 minutes, unless you see something, unless I see something very interesting that I. But today is weekend, right? And today is like the last week of the month, and I'm already in term of uh, rate of return is already okay. I already hit my monthly target, so I'm gonna take it easy. Yeah, it's just because this is weekend, right? I don't want to spend the night, I mean the entire weekend, moping about why I trade so bad and so on. Okay, so alright, market about to open, 5 seconds. What is XSPA? Wow. This is penny stock. Yeah. Okay. UAL. Oh, UAL seems strong. Yeah, UAL quite strong. Hmm. Delta is quite strong too. So I don't know. Let's just wait. I think nothing that I like yet. Delta, ACB. So nothing yet. Wow, everything is dropping today. Everything is dropping. Nothing guys, so I haven't taken any trade yet, so I'm just gonna wait because it seems like the market will be choppy in the beginning. Doesn't seem to made up his mind whether you want to go long or you want to go short, want to go strong or weak, so we don't know yet. Okay, I'm short on JD. It's a little bit chase. Um, kind of late. Yeah, so it's a little bit like chasing it already on JD. So wait for better entry position. mRNA, 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 mRNA. Yeah, still nothing. PDD. Everything is choppy. So entering UAL. Just a little bit on UAL. Let me see. Should have left some stock for UAL. Nothing yet. Everything is just up and down with no direction. So ACP short selling restriction. JD. Thinking of shorting JD. Okay, shorting JD. It's a little bit risky. Yeah. I think something wrong with my hotkey. Damn it. I go short JD again. problem with JD does not move. It bothers me, right? Hmm. So I'm at 1% on my account. I think let me see if I can do some extra trades. If there's anything interesting. See nothing interesting today, not yet. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a recap first and then see if there's anything interesting, then I will explain it to you later on. So today is May, so 1%. Today is weekend, so I'm already above my monthly target anyway. So I think I'm gonna just call it a quit, right? Unless I see something interesting, like usual. Okay, so where do I start? Okay, so the first thing I trade is JD, right? So I was trading JD. JD is weak on daily chart. Look at the lower right chart in here. So JD is weak. So I naturally I try to going short, but again, my plan was going short around this 49.72, but somehow I got filled at 49.43, which is really bad, right? Now you messed up your risk to reward ratio, so I quickly get out. The other trade that I take on JD is again the stock is weak, so when it retraces to VWAP, I try to enter long, anticipating the stock is going to bounce back, going down, bouncing down, right? And then I enter twice in here. I don't know, somehow I messed up my hotkey, and then I quickly scalp because I don't want to get stuck, right? See, the stock is turning towards the VWAP. So that's for the JD. And for DAL, again the stock is weak when the market open, so I try to enter here when the stock retrace at the 5 moving average, right? 5 minute moving average, and then I quickly scalp. That's for the DAL. What else? JD, UAL, yeah, UAL. Oh, UAL is the same. UAL is the stock is weak. This is 200 moving average in here, so I'd enter. I scalp. The thing is, I probably should take more size in here because I have a tight stop loss, right? My stop loss is when the stock closing this above 200 moving average, and my profit target is this dash line right here. So I probably should enter like 1,000 or something, but um, I think I made mistake on my account size. So that's what the today's trade is, and yeah, it's not much. It's 1% of my account, but I trade correctly and didn't do anything wrong, right? And which is very nice. And so if I see any other trade or I take another trades, I will give you an update like usual. But right now I'm ending my live trading with 1% of my account size. And I'll see you on Monday and have a very good weekend. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.